Blanchard. I am a shamanic Reiki master, an Akashic Records consultant, a life coach, and an energy healer. Most people don't know what all of that means, and that's why I've created this video. I'm also a single mom raising 2 boys in New York City. It may not be perfect, but all things considered, pretty close. Hey, Billy.
Hey, how's it going?
I always make sure that I separate my home from my office environment to create a peaceful, sacred place for healing. You don't mind we take our shoes off in the house?
Yeah, sure.
I mean office.
All right.
Just go this way. The path to enlightenment can take many forms. As a coach, I don't give my clients advice. I help them discover their own wisdom, their own truths.
For some reason, we just keep getting into fights, and I'm just so confused. I don't know what to do.
Well, it's really not my job to tell you what to do, but looks like you have 2 options. You need to leave your partner today or tomorrow.
What? That's not helpful.
It is helpful. One effective technique I use is called role playing. Then, when it's time for my clients to have challenging discussions in real life, they feel well prepared.
Okay, so we're gonna role play, and you're gonna be my mom?
Exactly.
Okay, Mom? Why would you do that?
You keep saying my trigger word.
Mom?
Yeah, exactly.
Can you stop? You have such great aim.
Thank you. Energy work takes a lot of energy. That's why I make sure that I'm fully present, that I'm well nourished and well rested before I see a client. Right, so now I'm going to put on some music and guide you through a very powerful meditation. All you need to do is relax, close your eyes, and enjoy the Reiki energy. All right, so I'm just going to count us down from 10. You might feel like you're getting a little sleepy. Going down to 9, feeling your relaxation double. 8, 7, 6.
Are you okay?
Yeah. You are in the trance state. Just relax.
Your hands are so warm and small, too. Why do they smell like ice cream?
Just feel free to voice any images or feelings that arise.
I'm feeling the energy of a child.
Good. Doing inner child work here. What is the child wanting? Mommy!
I think he wants his mommy.
Very good. How old do you think this part of you is?
I'm 9!
You're grounded! You're connected. You're grounded and connected to your inner truth. I take my role as a healer very seriously. That's why I always wear white when I conduct healings. White carries the vibration of source energy, of God. Okay, just relax here for a few minutes. I'm gonna go change into my Reiki master outfit.
Mommy, where's my taekwondo uniform?
I also conduct energy healing over the phone. It's called distance healing, and it's just as effective as face-to-face healing. So I'm sensing a block in your throat chakra. I'm just gonna send a little bit of the Reiki energy to your throat area. You might feel warmth or even a tingling sensation.
Yeah, I feel it.
Now just take a nice inhale. Let me know if any other sensations come up.
Oh my god, I feel like someone just punched me in the stomach!
Wow, it's working. One of the most profound aspects of my work is opening up the Akashic Records for my clients. Imagine that everything about your soul is stored in a sort of library, including every thought, word, and action from this lifetime and all of your past lifetimes. Sounds a little scary, right? Well, it's not that bad. Imagine that each lifetime has a file inside that I can access to shed light on your soul's purpose, your soul contracts, and even release karma from past lives. All I need to open your Akashic Records is your permission and your full legal name.
Yeah, sure. Evan Hansen.
Like the Broadway show?
I guess.
All right. Evan Hansen. One thing I love about integrating shamanic practices into my healing work is that I get my clients in touch with their spirit guides. Now you're going to go to your sacred place in a shamanic journey. And once you're there, you're going to meet with your spirit animal. Once you see your spirit animal, just tell me what it is and I'll give you a special message.
Okay. I see it.
Oh, good.
It's coming towards me.
Okay.
It's big.
Oh, it's an elephant.
No, more like a horse.
A horse. Okay, good. Horse. Yep.
Has a horn.
A horse with a horn?
One horn.
Uni?
I think it's a unicorn. Yeah, definitely a unicorn. What does that mean?
Means you're gay.
What? That's my special knowledge?
Yeah, you're gay, man. That's what you got.
I already knew that, though.
It's not up to me, man. You're a spirit animal. It's critical that as a healer, I don't project my own life and my own issues onto the lives of my clients.
I just don't feel like I can do it. Like, I don't know what it takes.
That's great. Just talk it all out. Like, talk all those negative thoughts out so they can be released.
You want me to say more negative things about myself?
Yeah, exactly. Like, no, I suck at dating. I'm gonna be single forever. Nobody likes me. My kids don't like me. I'm a bad mother.
Are you
going to hell?
Are you okay?
Definitely going to hell.
What is this voice?
I take all of my clients' prayers and all my notes from each session, and I take them to the river as a sacred ceremony. I consider this one of my signature offerings. May all of the healings and releases that have taken place take place with grace, ease, and joy. Life is serious. Healing does